Hello guys, so welcome to the channel. Here I am going to basically give a quick critique of my 3 sketches that I've done this afternoon, and we'll get on with it. So 3 relatively good sketches of a ballerina's face. I utilised good speed, geometric, gestural and observational for all 3. I did it in 3 different ways just to see what one was more effective. Number 1, it was basically the shape of the face first, and then cross section for where the eye sockets, nose and mouth would be. It is a little bit more squished, and she did have very petite features but not that petite. Second one, I felt the eyes were a lot more closer to the reference photo. However, the neck is a little too long. And the third one is a little bit more like anime. So there is a work in progress. I am quite happy with the overall results, but it's definitely something I'm going to work on. I am seeing a lot more improvements, a lot quicker. It's not like a case of one relatively good sketch and the other two really quite not the best. I'm getting more so of 2 or even 3 relatively good sketches in the one page, which I'm really happy at. Number 3 actually didn't almost work purely because the nose wasn't working, so I then had to think how best to rectify the situation, which I didn't even have to rub any pencils out, and that's another aspect of this learning. I do not rub anything out. Number 1 and number 2 took 4 minutes each, and that's the maximum amount of time that I spend on them. Excuse me. And the third one took 3 minutes. So yeah, work in progress. Thanks guys, bye.